Hi guys, it's Lise. We're in my closet right now. I'm with Braden, my cousin. There said it was a tornado warning, so we're just trying to stay covered. We have all of our things. Let's show all our things. I have Bob, my baby cactus. That is fake. We have some kinetic sand. We have some slime. We have a baby light. If that light comes out, we have a baby one. We have a fan on. We have some slime. I have my
and we have a fan.
And we have a fan. Yes, we do. So sorry about the lighting and stuff. A little hard, but of clothes because we're in a closet. And yeah. So if you live in New Hampshire, stay cover everybody, but at least we have some clothes. A lot of clothes. So stay cover everybody. My dog is in my room, is in the other room with my mom. And we're just trying to stay cover, so everybody stay cover if you live in New Hampshire. We just have some baby things, so if we stay cover, if we have to stay cover or
But
anything.
the storm is going to end at 3.
And it's 2:30 right now.
Means in a half an hour it's going to end. Means we can get out the closet in half an hour.
Yeah.
We've been in here already.
For 2 minutes.
What?
For 2 minutes, I think. 2 minutes. We just got.
No, we were in here more like 15, right? Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we're in here for 15 minutes just waiting. Because it did start for us at round 2. Now
And we have a baby flashlight, so we're good. If that one comes out.
Oh yeah, should I go get some water supplies?
Yeah, should probably go get some food and some water.
The video's gonna be paused, means
Yeah.
I'll be back in, I don't know, but guys, she's gonna pause it.
Whatever it says. Okay guys, we're back. We have some water.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, there's an ant in here with us. But, yeah. Everybody stay cover.
Yeah.
We're just trying to.
We might wait it out. We might have the video pause until 3. We don't know how long the video will be.
But we're gonna try this. It's already been 2 minutes and 33 seconds. So let's try to see if the video can go any longer. But it might not be able to.
Can you move your leg so we can close the door?
Yeah, I'm trying to. That's as far as it goes. So, yeah, we're in a closet right now.
We don't have that much air, means we need a...
I have a lot of air. Do you?
I want out of air. I feel like we're running out of oxygen.
We're not.
Which one's my water? This one?
Yeah, my water is right next to me. So, yeah, maybe a little long. It might be a little while. But we're going to just show you guys if we're going to survive or not. I don't even know if this video is going to be posted, but it might. And
if this video gets posted, it means we're safe. If the video doesn't,
we're not safe. But
it's going to be posted right after. When this video goes off, and you don't see, if you don't see anything being broken or anything, if this video stays on forever and doesn't get posted, it's just gonna end of both of us. Her parents are gonna be mad, and my parents are gonna be mad too. Most likely, the chances of it being EF5 is slim, but it's a flood, flood, earthquake, and tornado.
Yeah, that's only if it's like that. But right now we're just a flood.
Waiting it out.
Yeah, at least we have a closet and no window. At least there's no window in here.
Just too many clothes.
Sweating. Yeah, there's way too many clothes. We're just trying to. Oh, Jesus. We're just trying to edit it out, so if our voice sounds a little funny, it's because of our phone. And yeah.
You have too many clothes.
I have way too many clothes. Like you're literally standing in a pile of clothes.
Oh yeah, the garage was flooded.
It was?
Or
That's
it wasn't
mine.
flooded, but the floor was wet.
Well, at least we're up here. That's the good thing.
And there could be a spider in here with us.
Trust me, there is no spider in here. Last time I saw one, it was a while ago. And that probably was there. Like, probably before it was even... I have this big Halloween dress that, like, is so annoying. I might have to take some clothes out, but hopefully not. Because then we're going to have to clean it. It's almost right in.
No, just do that. I heard if you keep lights off, they a little bit safer. When you keep the lights off.
Yeah,
Wait,
so if you guys can't see us, we're going to turn the light. We're going to turn on our flashlight. Okay, we've turned the lights back on. We have a mini light, so we're good. We have some stuff. We are good. We can just deal with it. I'm going to draw probably, so we might take the camera.
Yeah, I'm going to have to take the camera, guys.
This is like my calming thing. My calming thing is drawing. Like, so I get calm by it.
But I don't think she'll be too calm since we are hit by a tornado.
Yeah, but
right.
I mean,
there's a warning that tornadoes drop down, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there was just a comment. The tornado touched down.
It's okay though. We'll be safe though. But yeah.
But sorry guys, we're in a closet full of all kinds of clothes.
That's not my fault. It's my mom's fault.
Yeah. I don't want to keep the lights on, guys. It means I'm just gonna do this, guys.
Yeah, we might need a book timer. Not like a book timer, but like a book reader. So like a mini baby light reader. So it's like I'm drawing a narwhal right now. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Yeah, you guys probably don't see too much
Because of the baby light. But like we're trying, guys. So
yeah, just don't blame us.
with us.
Do not hate on us since we are in a tornado warning.
Or like bear with us.
Yeah.
Like pray that we're gonna survive, and if we don't, yeah. But we're probably going to.
Since this video turns to the video.
What time is it?
Wait, what?
It's almost.
It's
3 o'clock.
Yeah, we got like
a couple minutes left, but
it's not a couple. We have 20 minutes left.
Yeah.
Right?
I don't know. Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
We're just trying to stay.
Means guys, we might still hang out in here for another 30 minutes maybe. We might stay here just stay safe.
Yeah, just like stay safe.
Like I know it's not gonna. I know the storm's gonna be done after 3, but you know how tornadoes are. They're picky. They get the.
Yes.
They stay.
That was me. I just did that. That's my elbow. So, false alarm, that was my elbow. But,
how do you do that?
it's probably safe to not do it.
Yeah, we don't want to have our viewers scared.
Yeah. My friend at least knows. Like, sorry guys, I'm right here. You guys can only see my glasses, but like, probably best like that with my water. I haven't drinking any more water. I'm thirsty.
And guys, the garage was flooded a little bit, but I think the water's gone because the floors were wet. But they're probably dry now.
Yeah. But
there was a leak coming from the outdoors.
Yeah, so it's probably best to stay up here.
Yeah.
Safe. So guys, if you are in New Hampshire and like in a flood or anything, if you have like a closet which everybody should. Just like stay safe in there, and if there's any tornado warning, this video will have the date on it. It's the title. I don't know the title. I'll just come up with the title, like everything. Yeah, tornado. I'm gonna put my grippy on my pencil. I don't like grippies, but I just have one.
Anything else you want to say?
Stay safe. And yeah, I don't know what else to say.
If you put your face close, you'll see you because the light is right on your face.
Close, but like, they can see me. I know that we're gonna be safe, but we're probably...
They can't see.
I know, probably because of all the clothes, and probably because last night. Probably because this light's not on, but I'm too scared to do it. They can kind of see me a little bit. There we go.
Okay, guys. I think it's alright to keep the light on now since the storm is almost over. Because they did say flood warning around 2 o'clock. And there was a flood, yes.
Yeah, and how I knew that like the flood was warning, because I was just watching TV and then it just like froze, and so like yeah, like got kind of scary. But
then she came to me. She came to me,
and then yeah,
because since I was kind of older and I knew what to do. Yeah.
Well, you're like a year older than me, 2 years older actually.
Yeah, you're 9. I'm like 3. Since 4 months from now, I'm turning 12. 4 months, 12.
So guys, yeah, I'm kind of not stressed out anymore, cause like I'm drawing.
You should, because for some reason I think I'm hearing the garage door just bang shut. I'm getting kind of freaked out.
I have 2 of these notebooks, so if you want one, I can go get one.
It's alright. I just want you to be safe.
Yeah, that's the only priority. Being safe.
Yeah, since kind of I'm the
I
one.
did FaceTime my friend, and she's alright.
Wait, how old is she?
She is 1 year older than me. She's 10.
Oh, she's 10?
Yeah.
How's your other friend? That 11-year-old. When is she coming back over?
I don't know. Probably after this. So guys, be careful. And what time is it?
We've been filming 12 minutes now.
13.
Yeah.
It is almost over. So we might have to end the video here, guys. So
no, we don't have to just yet.
Yeah, well, when it gets to 14 minutes, we're going to have to, because I can't go over to 15. Oh yeah.
No, we'll pause the video here, guys, until it hits 3. We'll pause. Hey guys.
Power ran out.
Yeah, the power ran out, and I'm not sure when it's gonna be turned back on. Right now we're using this tiny little light.
So
yeah.
But we have a big flashlight downstairs, but I might have to go grab it. I might have to go grab it.
Guys,
I'm probably gonna go grab it.
Right now, the reason why this fan is working because this fan uses batteries.
Yes.
This fan is using batteries.
It's always asleep. My foot.
Okay, just make sure I don't step on anything.
Oh, there's a pile of clothes. Wait, we have like comfiness at least. Oh, there's some.
Don't do anything. There's scissors.
Okay, we're good. Oh, sorry about the big pile of clothes.
That's alright.
I'm gonna go grab the giant flashlight. So, pause the video.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, guys, it's like a couple minutes.
So yeah, we're gonna have to end the video here.
No, we don't have to just yet. No.
Because it can't go over to 15 minutes.
Why?
Because it'll just end on itself.
Yeah, guys, we'll just let it end on itself means. Bye, guys.
Bye,
See you
guys.
later.